A mighty warrior, reminiscent of the Greek hero Hercules, wrestles a ferocious lion in a lush, rocky forest. The scene captures the intense struggle between man and beast, with the warrior gripping the lion's jaws, showcasing his immense strength and determination. Sunlight filters through the dense.
You can also turn an AI-generated music into a music video with this AI that I'm talking about in different languages.
मेरी चाहत है जीना अब मुश्किल नहीं तेरे बिना तेरी हर मुस्कान मेरी जिंदगी.
The tool that we are going to use today is called Hydra AI. This AI tool is going to turn our images into a talking music video. Now click on the try beta over here, and you can see that this space is where you are going to type in your scripts, and they are having AI voice that you can choose from. For example, let's preview some of the voice and see how it's going to look like.
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure. It just means you haven't succeeded yet.
The quality of the voices is very high, but they don't have much voices over here. So after that, you can import your audio file in MP3 and WAV, and we are going to the character section where that's the middle one. You can upload or drag and drop your image over here in PNG and others. Now look at this section over here is where you can generate an image. If you're not feeling creative, you can just generate an image with this section. For instance, we can generate an image using this prompt, and that generated the image for us, which is very good and very realistic. And you can change the image by clicking on this button over here, and definitely it's going to change the image for you. As you can see, the right section here is where you are going to see the video that has been generated. The generated video is going to appear in this section. So when I scroll down, you can see that these are the kind of videos that I generated with this AI tool. Let's preview some of the videos that I generated with this tool.
Welcome to Mars. We are a group of researchers on a mission to discover hidden features on this planet.
And also, I use my own avatar to generate a video with this tool.
A mighty warrior, reminiscent of the Greek hero Hercules, wrestles a ferocious lion in a lush, rocky forest.
The lip syncing of this tool is very high. So we are going to try this tool out. What I'm going to do right now is that we are going to import in a song and generate a music video with a song. But the first song that we are going to generate is in English, and the second song that we are going to generate is in different language. So let's go ahead to generate the song. So I'll go to my music section and I'll drag and drop the music into this audio section over here so that you'll be able to generate the music. So the next thing that we can do right now is to preview the music.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams.
Now we are going to create our image from this section. We are going to use a prompt to generate the image. For instance, we are going to say that a singer. We are going to type in a singer so that we are going to generate an image concerning the song over here. Now, after I'll click on generate, it has been generated already. So we are going ahead to generate the video. So I'll click on the generate video, and the video that you are going to appear in this section over here. But before that, let's look at some of the community spotlight videos that they've done over here.
But not too creative.
Create whoever you can imagine.
And you can see that all the videos that have been generated over here are having lip syncing high percent accuracy concerning that, and it's very amazing and cool because it's one of the most amazing tools that I've seen that is having high percentage of lip syncing too. So it has been generated, so let's preview it and see how it's going to look like.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony, we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind.
Wow guys, actually this is very cool, and if you want to download it, you can just click on these three dots over here and download it within one click of a button. As you can see, the lip syncing of this video is very high, and the percentage is, I think it's about 90% of percentage that I'm going to get 90%, and at the same time too, the blinking of the eye and at the same time to showing some kind of movement in the head is really amazing. And the facial expressions of this video is mind-blowing. I don't know what you think about this. It's so unfortunate we have all of this resolution, and at the same time when you generate the video, you can see that the resolution has switched a little bit from this section, but I'm sure that it is improved in some full time or soon, because this tool is very great and it's going to help us to generate our music video with one click of a button. Another cool feature that we are going to look is that you see that the first song is in English, but we are going to change its different language by changing the song, the prompt that I to generate the image. So in this section, I'm going to type in different prompt to generate a different image. For instance, I'm going to type in an Indian female singer, so that you'll be able to generate a different image with a different song to test the lip syncing in different language. So for instance, I'm going to my music and I'll drag and drop the music so that I'll be able to test the lip syncing in different language. So I'll click on the create button to create the image. That, as you can see, that this is an Indian female singer that we are going to use for the experiment over here. So after I'll click on the create button, generate the video. As you can see, the video is in the process generally, so let's preview the song so that you know how the song is going to look like. So this Indian female here is going to sing the song, and as you can see that it's generating and it's about 5% over here. And when I scroll down, you can see that in the queue. Guys, this is very cool and it's very amazing too. You can just try it out by going to that platform to try to use it to generate a music video with this. So guys, the video has been generated, so let's go and preview how the Indian female is going to sing this Indian song, and at the same time too, we're going to test the lip syncing. We're going to compare the lip syncing to the English one so that you see how it's going to look like, if the English lip sync is going to be the best or the Indian lip sync is going to be the best. So let me know your idea in the comment section down below.
तेरे संग चल मेरी चाहत है, जीना अब मुश्किल नहीं तेरे बिना, तेरी हर मुस्कान मेरी जिंदगी की रोशनी, तू मेरी हर ख्वाहिश, तू मेरी हर कहानी, तेरे संग जिंदगी बन जाए, तेरे संग ख्वाबों को भूल जाए, तेरे संग जिंदगी बन जाए, तेरे संग ख्वाबों को मिल जाए, तेरे संग दिल को चुराने लगी देगी, तेरे संग दुनिया भुलाने लगी, तेरे संग दुनिया भुलाने लगी, तेरे संग तानी हर लम्हा मुझे, तेरी हर बात पे दिल को समझाना है.
So guys, what do you think? Is it the India one that is having a good lip syncing or what? Because as you can see that the lip syncing over here is very cool, and at the same time too, the head movement and everything is very good. It's showing that she is singing a song. So this AI tool has done every single thing that it's got to do in creating a video with just a song. Guys, it's really very good. It's really good, and I can assure you that this tool is going to be improved in the future in different aspect resolutions and different aspect ratios future. The last thing that we are going to look at is when you scroll down here, you can see that I generated a video with this line over here, and it's very amazing. So I'm going to do the same thing over here, and I'll go back to my folder and drag and drop in an image so that I'll be able to generate a video with this pitch that is a line over here. So let's go to the generate audio, then I'm going to type in a script over here. So I'll paste in a script, then I'll go ahead to select a voice. For instance, this voice over here. Let's preview it and see.
The greatest gospel concert the world has ever witnessed is coming to Rochester.
After I'll click on the generate video to generate, you can see that it is queued. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fast forward this one, then I will see you guys from the video being generated below. Guys, I can assure you that the English generated music is very beautiful to me, and it sounds very amazing because the lip syncing over here, it's very good and very amazing, because as you can see that every single word that the music is saying. She is repeating the same thing with the lips without any mistake. It's very amazing, and the head movement and everything is really cool and very mind-blowing too. Okay guys, the video has been generated successfully, so let's try to preview it and see how the lion is going to talk.
Remember that every step you take brings you close to your goal, no matter how small. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress along the way. Challenges are opportunities to grow, and persistence is the key to unlocking your potential. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and keep pushing.
Now, it's possible for us to get a talking animal as you saw it in the video. It's very amazing and very mind-blowing. With all the experiments and with all the testing of the lip sync, we can have a successful lip sync, and at the same time it can generate a video using the image of any animal. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe down button and turn on the notification bell for more videos on AI updates like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next ones.